This video is created by AI. Link is in description. Let's start. Hello and welcome to this video where we will be exploring the capabilities of the Chat GPT AI model. In this video, we will be demonstrating how Chat GPT can erase a software engineering role in real time and replace it with a data scientist role. What is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is an AI model developed by OpenAI that is capable of generating human-like responses to text-based inputs. It is a language model that has been trained on a massive amount of data and can generate coherent and contextually relevant responses to a wide range of inputs. Erasing a software engineering role. In this demonstration, we will be using Chat GPT to erase a software engineering role from a job description and replace it with a data scientist role. We will be using a sample job description for a software engineer and inputting it into Chat GPT. The first step is to input the job description into Chat GPT and ask it to generate a response that erases the software engineering role. Chat GPT generates a response that removes all references to software engineering and replaces them with data science. Next, we input the modified job description into Chat GPT and ask it to generate a response that describes the responsibilities of a data scientist in this role. Chat GPT generates a response that accurately describes the responsibilities of a data scientist in this role. Benefits of using Chat GPT. Using Chat GPT to modify job descriptions has several benefits. Firstly, it can help to attract a wider range of candidates who may not have considered the role if it was advertised as a software engineering role. Secondly, it can help to diversify the skill set of the team by bringing in candidates with different backgrounds and expertise. Conclusion. In conclusion, Chat GPT is a powerful tool that can be used to modify job descriptions and attract a wider range of candidates. In this video, we demonstrated how Chat GPT can erase a software engineering role in real time and replace it with a data scientist role. We hope that this video has been informative and has given you a better understanding of the capabilities of Chat GPT. Thank you for watching.